Here I have Nokia T10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.